Hi, good morning students. I am Basavaraja R C. Welcome back to online classes. The Little Paris Higher Primary School JCR Extension 6th class Chitradurga. Today we learn about in Science first chapter Crop Production and Management. In this chapter already we know that how to preparation of soil. Today we learned about the sowing. The sowing is an important part of the crop production. Before sowing, the good quality, the clean and healthy seeds of a good variety are selected. The farmers prefer to use the seeds which give high yield. The selection of seed and damaged seeds become hollow and are the lighter. Therefore, they float on water. This is a good method for a separating the good and healthy seeds for the damaged ones. Next one is before sowing, the one of the important tasks to know about the tools used for a sowing seeds and traditional tool. The tools used traditionally for sowing the seeds is shaped like a funnel. The seeds are filled into the funnel, the passed down through 2 or 3 pipes, having the sharp ends. Thus ends the price into the soil and place seeds there. What have we learned in sowing? Adding a manure and fertilizers. The substance which are added to the soil in the form of a nutrients for a healthy growth of the plants are called a manure and fertilizers. In soil supplies the minerals, nutrients to the crop plants. These nutrients are essential for the growth of plants in certain areas. The farmers the growth crop after the crop in the same field and continues the cultivation of crops that make the soil poor in nutrition. Therefore, the farmers have to add a manure to the field to replenish the soil with nutrients. This process is called a manuring or improve or a insufficient manuring results in weak plants. And manure is an organic substance that obtained from the decomposition of a plant's or animal's waste. The farmer dump plants and animals waste in a pits at one place and allowed to the decompose. The decomposition is caused by some microorganisms. The decomposed matter is used as organic manure. Fertilizers are chemicals which are rich in a particular nutrients and fertilizers are produced in a factories. Some example of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, sulfur phosphate and potash and nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. The uses of fertilizers has helped farmers to get a better yield of crops such as a wheat, paddy and maize. But the excessive use of the fertilizers have made the soil the less fertile. The fertilizers have also become a source of a water pollution. Therefore, in order to maintain the fertility of the soil, we have to substitute the fertilizers with the organic manure or leave the field uncultivated in between two crops. The uses of manure improve the soil structures as well as its a water retaining capacity. It replenishes the soil with nutrients. And another method of replenishing the soil with the nutrients is through crop rotations. This can be done by the growing different crops alternatively. Easier, the farmer is northern India used to grow the legumes as a fodder in one seasons and wheat in the next season. This helped to replacement of the soil. Rhizobium bacteria are present in the nodules of the roots of the leguminous plants. They fix the atmospheric nitrogen. What is the difference between fertilizers and manure? And first one, the fertilizer is a man-made inorganic salts and manure is the natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung and the plant residues. Second one is fertilizer is prepared in a factories. The manure can be prepared in the field. Third one is fertilizer does not provide the any humans to the soil. In third one, manure provide a lot humans to the soil. Fourth one is fertilizers are a very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, and manure is relatively less rich in plants and nutrients. What are the advantages of manure? The organic manure is considered better than the fertilizers. This is because the enhance the water, the holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil the porous, due to the which the exchange of gases becomes easily. It increases the number of the friendly microbes. Fifth one is it improves the structure of the soil. Thank you, students. Today we will stop here.